Hello friends. Next, types of inventory vouchers. This is very important. You can expect this question for 5 marks or 15 marks. Okay. So you already studied accounting vouchers like payment, contra, receipt, sales. Okay. Similarly, inventory vouchers. Tally is pre-programmed with inventory vouchers of various natures, each designed to perform a different task. Each designed to perform different tasks. Each inventory vouchers perform different tasks. The following table displays the standard accounting vouchers, means the inventory vouchers provided in Tally and their corresponding activation key combination and buttons. Okay, there is a key combination and buttons. You can either use the key combination given in the table below or buttons on the button bar. Okay, buttons on the button bar. Okay, in Tally there is a button bar. Okay, so this is a button bar. Okay, here also it contains some inventory vouchers. Okay, purchase order, sales order, rejection in, rejection out. Okay, all the inventory vouchers. Okay, these all are the key combination shortcut keys. Alt F9 for receipt note voucher, or you can press receipt note F9 here. Okay, you can press receipt note here. Okay, receipt note. Okay, next for delivery note. Okay, Alt F8, or you can press button F8 delivery note here. Delivery note here, this one F8. Okay, delivery note like this. Okay, like this. Next, rejection out. Rejection out, Alt F6. Rejection in, Control F6. Then stock journal voucher, Alt F7. Physical stock, Alt F10. Sales order, Alt F5. Purchase order, Alt F4. Okay, or you can press the buttons. Let's see one by one. First one, the receipt note voucher. This voucher type is used for recording goods received. This voucher type is used for recording goods received. If you receive some goods, okay, to record such, we use receipt note. To view the receipt note, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers. Press button Alt F9 or select the button F9 receipt note from the button bar. For example, here Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers. Okay, for receipt note, press Alt F9 or you can click F9 receipt note here. Okay, the receipt note voucher opens. For example, consider the company receives some stock items from a supplier. If company receives some stock items from the supplier, this is the example of receipt note voucher. Next, second one, delivery note voucher. The delivery note voucher is used for recording goods delivered to a customer. Okay, if the company delivered to the customers, okay, then delivery note voucher is used. To view delivery note voucher, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers, then press Alt F8 or select button F8 delivery note. F8, this is delivery note. For example, the company delivers goods from stock to a customer. If company delivers goods from stock to a customer, then delivery note voucher is used. Rejection out voucher, purchase returns. The rejection out voucher records goods that are rejected and returned to supplier. That is purchase return. You purchase some goods, okay, after some time or after some days, so you returned it because some goods are damaged. Okay, by some other reason you return the goods to the supplier. To view the rejection out voucher, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers, press Alt F6 or select the button F6 Rejection Out from the button bar. F6 Rejection Out. Next, Rejection in Voucher. Sales returns. A rejection in voucher is used to record goods that are rejected and returned by the customer. Okay, if it is returned by the customer, then that is sales returns. Okay, then you use rejection in voucher. To view the rejection in voucher, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers, press Ctrl F6. Press Ctrl F6. Ctrl F6 or rejection in. Next, stock journal voucher. Stock journal voucher is used to record stock transfers from one location to another. If the stock item transfer from one location to another location, then stock journal voucher is used. To view stock journal voucher, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers, press the button Alt F7 or select the button F7 Stock Journal from the button bar. F7 Stock Journal, Alt F7 or click on button Stock Journal. Example, the company transfers items of stock from warehouse to the shop. If the company transfers the stock items from warehouse to the shop. Okay, in such transaction, stock journal voucher is used. Next, number 6, physical stock voucher. Physical stock voucher is used for recording actual stock physically verified or counted. For recording actual stock physically verified or counted, how many stock items are there. To view physical stock voucher, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers, select the button F10 physical stock from button bar or press Alt F10. Alt F10 or physical stocks. The physical stock voucher. Next, sales order voucher. Number 7. When the order is received from customer for goods to be supplied, the items, the quantities, the date of delivery, etc. Details are given with sales order number. Later, when these goods are delivered, this sales order is tracked for the order detail either in the delivery note or in the sales invoice. Okay, so when the received from the customer, order is received from the customer, okay, the items, the quantities, date of delivery, etc. Details are given with sales order number. Okay, they can verify where it is. Okay, you can track the order details. Okay, where the item is received, how many days are required to reach to particular destination. Okay, to view the sales order voucher, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers. Select the button F5 Sales Order from the button bar or press Alt F5. Sales Order, Alt F5 or press the button F5 Sales Order. Next, purchase order voucher. When the department wants to purchase something, they are our finance system and encumber funds from their budget accounts. This ensures that funds are taken from the available balance. Okay. To view purchase order, go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Vouchers, select the button F4 from the button bar or press Alt F4. F4 or Alt F4 or press F4 purchase order. Clear, no? Okay. Thank you.